Reconnecting in India. As soon as I received the invitation from my friend in India, I was thrilled. We had met in college, and though we had not seen each other in years, we had always kept in touch. The flight to India was long and tiring, but as soon as I stepped out of the airport, the heat hit me like a wall. I spotted my friend in the crowd, and she ran over to me with a big smile on her face. It was so good to see her after all these years. Over the next few days, my friend took me on a whirlwind tour of her city. We visited temples and museums, sampled delicious street food, and watched the sun set over the river. One of the highlights of the trip was our visit to the Taj Mahal. As we walked towards the famous white marble structure, I was in awe of its beauty. My friend told me the love story behind its construction, and I felt a lump in my throat. Back in the city, we explored the colorful markets, bargaining with vendors over silk scarves and jewelry. We drank masala chai and ate spicy curries, sometimes so hot that I had tears streaming down my face. As I packed my bags on the last day of my trip, I felt a sense of sadness at leaving. But I knew that the memories I had made in India with my dear friend would last a lifetime. On my final day in India, my friend and I went for a walk in a nearby park. We talked about our memories of college and caught up on each other's lives. As we sat on a bench, my friend gave me a beautiful silk scarf as a souvenir. I was touched by her generosity, and knew I would treasure the gift forever. Later that evening, my friend's family invited me over for dinner. They welcomed me with open arms, and we enjoyed a delicious meal together. We talked and laughed, and I felt like I was part of their family. As I said my goodbyes, my heart was heavy. I knew I would miss my friend and her family dearly. But I was also grateful for the amazing experiences I had had in India. As my plane took off, I looked out of the window and saw the lights of the city fading away. I felt a pang of sadness, but also a sense of joy at the memories I had made. And I knew that one day, I would come back to India to visit my friend and the amazing country that had captured my heart.